Consider a circuit where you have a voltage supply connected to two resistors in series. So let's say we have voltage supply, let's say of 24 volts connected in series with a R1 of 8 ohms and a R2 of, let's say, 4 ohms. Okay, so let's say we wanted to find out what is the total current in the circuit, the current supplied by the voltage source, which we can label as I subscript S, I supply. Now, because it is a series circuit, the current I supply will be the same current through R1. We can call that IR1. And the current through R2 will be the same as the supply current. We can call that IR2. So in a series circuit, the current is the same. Now the question is, how do we determine the series current? The first step is to calculate the total resistance, right? So we write down the total resistance, and we say that the total resistance R subscript T is equals to, this case, R1 plus R2, which is equals to 8 ohms plus 4 ohms, which is equal to 12 ohms. Okay, so the total resistance of the circuit is 12 ohms. Now, using Ohm's law, we can write that the I supply is equals to the V supply divided by the total resistance, which is equals to 24 volts divided by 12 ohms, which is equals to 2 amperes. So the total current IS is 2 amperes. We can also write that IR1 is equals to IR2, which is equals to this I supply, which is equals to 2 amperes. All right. So to summarize then, and to give you a formal definition of resistors in series, the total resistance is equal to the sum of the resistors in the circuit, right? If we had 3 resistors, we could write that our total is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. And if we had a larger number of resistors, like 10, 12, whatever, we simply say N. So we will have N number of resistors. So we can write that the general formula for resistors in series is R total is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus ... Rn. So whatever n is, we would have all the resistors added up to give a total resistance. The total resistance will be the sum of all the resistors. Okay, so that's resistors in series. And in the next video, we will look at resistors in parallel. So just again, the total resistance of a series circuit is the sum of all the resistors. Okay.